Hi, Michael James here. Time for my weekly Scrum certification question answered. Let's head over to my Facebook group because I got another couple of questions on the Facebook group. So somebody is taking their, I think it was a PSM II. It's down here. Hi, I'm studying for my PSM II exam and I have some questions that are unclear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tackle each of these questions in different videos. And as always, I'm going to make this first video about the question and I want you to have a go, put your answers in the comments and then have a look in the description of this video. I will put a link to the next video where I actually go and answer this question. And if you want to see question 2, I'll do the same thing again. So let's read it out. The chief executive, who is the key stakeholder, of course, for your team's product, approaches you. He fears an important part of the product's envisioned features is not getting the needed priority. So that the chief exec's got some concerns about particular features he thinks needs to be in the product. Remember though, it's for the product owner to make those decisions and the whole organization needs to accept the product owner's authority on that. Okay, so this uncertainty is worrying the chief exec deeply. How can you help the CEO? Choose the 2 best answers. So 2 best answers, what does that mean? It means that there could be multiple correct answers in this list of answers, but we want to choose the best ones. So it's one of those tricky questions. Okay, A, take a short moment to give the chief exec a high-level update about the results of the last sprint review. B, inform the product owner of the conversation you had. Advise him to invite the chief exec to the sprint review or set up a conversation. C, explain to the CEO that the product owner is the one in control of the priorities and will do everything to make sure that the product offers the maximum possible value to stakeholders and customers. He does not need to worry. D, take note of the features mentioned by the CEO and relay them to the product owner. E, advise the chief exec to have a conversation with the product owner. Now, it doesn't say in this question, I don't know where this question came from. The person who posted it says that it came from a mock test tool. It's not the best written question, to be honest with you. But it's still good to help to think about how we answer these questions in Scrum. So it doesn't say if you're taking the role of the Scrum Master, but then I suppose it's going for the PSM II exam. So let's assume it's from the Scrum Master's point of view. So what should the Scrum Master do in this situation? What are the 2 best answers? Put your answers in the comments and I'll see you in the next video where I think I'll put a card up here. I'll go into the description of the video. I'll put a link and I'll answer this question for you. So I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more questions and check me out on Udemy under Michael James. Goodbye.